So once again, good morning, and here we go. We call on all the teams participating on this volleyball tournament. We call on the women's division. Number one, the first and foremost, Pindon UK Lions. Please come in, number one.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will
We
win.
have Lara Rochelle Descienko, Mary Grace Ortega, Jean Carla Magtibay, Kirsten Magtibay, Philippine Diana Licapor, Kay Jennings, May Rentillo, Cherry Legaspi, Edna Santano, Ethel Rivera, Michelle Diaz, Leigh Lucogan, with our coach, Lara Rochelle Descienko, co-coach, Brian C., and our manager, Rubin Carmencita Ivalio.
Wala kami uniform.
Once again, our Londoners, we come on team number 2, Team Netherlands! Ella Vicencio, Jenna Kino Bierman, Hayden Longcanes, Christine Bohol, Aina Bastille, Francis Morales, Marichu Diana, Edna Diana, with our captain, Jenna Quentinicius, co-captain Marichu Diana, and with our coach, Joel Medal, co-coach Troy Garcia, and our manager, Andres Villamor. Team Netherlands. The third team to welcome, we have Gemma Aguilas, Marisa Hassan, Vanessa Nicolete, Audrey Mumubaya, Najib Nalagomar, Hazel Sibaya, Gwyneth Briones, Sarah Mejimenez, Yara Alcantara, Sofia Montorio, Alexander Vicente, Alexandra Delta, Cassandra Pineda, Chelsea Reyes, and Chloe Gonzalez, Team Austria! Our coach, Rafael Hitler, manager, Samuel Benderan, our team number 4, please call on the Raptors! From Italy, we have Riesel Joy, Luisa, Samantha Garces, Lucres, Arsene Bolor, Ilya Mazzoli, Ilandra Punzaman, Jaira Grace Sikas, Celine Perez, Natalie Tenorio, Leanne J. Luisa, Francine Janina, Jenny Grace Pakpako, with our coach Nico Iscarosa, and co-coach Rosel Luisa, with our manager Belita Bakua Corrales. Ladies and gentlemen, the Raptors from Italy! We call on Team Sweden, ladies Sosobrado, Sara Springal, Charlene Calvo, Andres Villamor, Mercar Ong, Jodeline Joseph, together with our coach, Joanne Ulun, co-coach Tobias Burge, and our manager, Lynn De Rosas and Banji Lemon, Team Sweden! We call on the team number 6. We have Germany Spikers! Please welcome Giselle Vidrio, Alia J. Domingo, Julian Sabil, Lucy Brockman, Kyle Balani, Micaela Apolinario, Archie Victorino, Christine Carmagnoli, Marianne Paul, Jocelyn Cassis, King Pagano, Cindy G, Daniel Buentuchillo, together with our coach, Mac Maribel, and our manager, Maribel Brockman, Team Germany! And now we go on. Team number 7. Make some noise for Pinoy Lefties! Hey, hey! Marigold Campo, Celeste Alicano, Alexi Castalone, Jane Kirsten Palama, Jojine Buhion, Anne-Marie Gatti, Anne-Rose Melody Porras, Jeremy Ann Joaquin, with our coach, Jane Kirsten Palama, Team Pinoy Lefties! And we call on HOK Angels from Milano. We call on Alison Chinel, Kylie Chinel, Priscilla Mendoza, Angel Alares, Luis Ulandina, Fiona Andal, Julia Atienza, Bernadette Lianco, Lucette Lianco, May Emily Andal, together with our coach Eugene Chinel, co-coach Jean Chinel, and our manager Jezreel Gutierrez. Ladies and gentlemen, from Italy, HOK Angels! The last but not the least, our team number 9, Austrian, Hanlo! Helen Kate Sorna, Roxanne Laluño, Alicia Aguas, Samantha Joy, Kirsten Lee, Aleli Perez, Grace Gonzalez Capanan, Janelle Ardon, Kaylee Monfero, Janet Montorio, Marielle Nicois, Ernestine Detalio, Luisa Beltran, Cyril Constante, with our captain Janelle Ardon, and our coach Mia Bakhay. Make some noise for Team Austria! And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on for the men's division. Team Sandrino Aquino, Ken de Guzman, Jones Nan, William Cloud Bautista, Kevin Montenegro, Ron Royce Cruzat, Vicente Samuel Cala, our captain AJ with co-captain Ryan, and our coach, none other than Anton Haksay, and our manager, Jinky Haksay. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Austria! We go on, men's division, team number 2. We call on Team Austria! Joshua Lianco, Alex Montenegro, Adrian Benganal, Matthew Andaya, Seth Laluno, Prince Corachea, Cedric Power, Justin Di Maunahan, Paul Montorio, Errol Banban, Maxwell Banban, Jerome Ponce, Angelo Reyes, with Bernie Lianco, together with our coach, Donato Pascual. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for team number 2, Austria! Please welcome our team number 3, men's division. Team number 3, make some noise for Team Switzerland, Los Guerreros! Oresini Leonardo, Liamoso Barrene, Taylor Kevin, Velasquez Sebastian, Arcaoli Ferretti, Liamoso Mar, Melote Harry, Combinido Jason, Helfer Nick, with our captain, Kauli Freddy, and Combinido Jason as co-captains. Ladies and gentlemen, from Switzerland, the Los Guerreros! Here we go, team. Put your hands together for Team Norway Vikings. Lei Arenas, Kenneth De Bruyne, Linus Larsen, Austin Candelaria, Benji Relox, Jerome Vandemoro, Andre Roncailis. With our coach, Lei Arenas, and co-coach Kenneth De Bruyne. Our manager, Lei Arenas. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Norway Vikings! We go on the team from Czech Republic! Team FCU Fortuna, Jason Inciso, Nicasio Magtoto, Lionel Libarios, Jerison Diaco, Raymart Pasqua, Lei Bertonar, Anthony De Padua, with our coach, Len, and our manager, Son. From Czech Republic, FCU Fortuna! And now we call on the team from Germany, Casablanca! Leandro James Carolino, James Brian Conte, Ray Matina, Manjano Tabas, Lance Bishop, Serge Roa. With our coach Brian C. Co-coach Lara Michelle Desierto. With our manager Ruby Cabecita Ibalio. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kings of UK Lions! We call on the team. Team Italy! The Apex! Daryl Moro, Jan Padama Luis, Lasty Smith, Gabriel Del Muso, Ken Manalo, Lawrence Lubres, Daniel Limayuga, John Patrick Serrano, Eli Mojares, Clyde Serrano, David De Lunas, Carsten Manuel, Gian Enriquez, Nico Escarosa, with our coach Luis De La Rosa and co-coach Lawrence Lubres. Team Italy! The last but not the least, make some noise from Team Ireland! Mark Pumatay, Karen Tumamam, Steven Cataluna, Miguel Conway, Renier Lepique, Gabriel Seremu, Inter Hermosa, AJ Batula, Daniel Garrido, Roy Valdez, John Ubaldo, Jan Denofra, together with our manager Wendy Romero, the last